Hello. In this clip from our Justia webinar, Navigating and Mitigating Ethical Conflicts in Estate Administration and Planning, Leah Del Percio will give an overview of conflicts in estate planning. Remember, if you want to see more Justia videos on law practice and legal marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Good afternoon. I'm Leah Del Percio, and I am here today to talk to you about navigating and mitigating ethical conflicts in estate administration and planning. This presentation will be primarily targeted towards those of you who are in a trust and estates practice. Most of my examples will go through this, or if you're working to advise clients of family businesses, really things related to that. So if that makes up, a small part of your practice, a large part of your practice, this would definitely be a course for you. Being in trust and estates, as well as working with family business owners, has its own set of problems, challenges, as well as rewards. So that certainly is the case on the challenges side. When it comes to conflicts, it's kind of dealt with differently in a different landscape than other areas of law. So just wanted to throw that out there at the outset. You may also be wondering, why is this person here talking to me? Who is she and why is she talking to me about estate conflicts? So again, my name is Leah Del Percio. I am the founder and CEO of a company called TrueState. We're an estate management and operations platform that works on estate administrations, trust administrations, estate planning operations, as well as guardianship issues for trust and estates lawyers, trust companies, fiduciary services arms of institutions. You kind of name it in the trust and estates space, and our software assists with it. So kind of a fast rising thing. Because of that, we've settled thousands of estates at my time at TrueState, not to mention the 12 years of experience I had settling estates in private practice as a trust and estates lawyer. I've settled hundreds of estates just in private practice nationwide. Was licensed in New York, New Jersey, and Maryland, but happened to be at a large firm where I dealt with estate administrations pretty much all over the country, working with local counsel as sort of boots on the ground where I needed to be admitted. So this will be sort of a 1,000-foot overview and could be applicable to multiple states, even though it's important to note that just as each state has its own ethical rules, just as each state has its own trust and estates rules, even though they might use the Uniform Probate Code or the UTC, the Uniform Trust Code, each state also has its own nuances for adopting those rules. The same applies with the model ethical rules in each state. So important to keep in mind that this is going to be a general presentation. Anytime I'm quoting the model rules or talking about ethics, it's very general. So always check your state's specific requirements if you encounter any of the issues that we're going to discuss today. You can learn more about our platform at www.truestate.com. If you're a trust and estates lawyer, definitely check us out. We could probably help you. So again, important to note, each jurisdiction has its own rules of professional conduct for attorneys. It's important to follow your jurisdiction rules closely. Got to give that disclaimer, being an attorney. So why are we now talking about this? That's sort of my next question. Why is this important to you as a practitioner? Interestingly, particularly when it comes to trusts, estates, and probate, it's because there's a disproportionate amount of legal malpractice claims relating to attorney misconduct in trusts, estates, and probates. And yes, that work is a big pain in the neck for many people. It's an area that often leads to errors and, really elongated periods where the statute of limitation doesn't even run for malpractice. So those are some factors to it. But also, if you look at a lot of the malpractice claims in your state, you'll know most of them relate to an ethical conflict of interest that attorney in question had at the outset of the planning. Super common to see. And these issues can be very hard to spot unless you've spent thousands of hours, as I have and my team has, on the administration side. When plans ultimately come to fruition, you're moving assets to those beneficiaries that you outlined in that beautiful instruction manual that you call a will or trust, and really seeing things come down to where people now are getting stuff and they're either happy about it or not happy, and they're looking for ways to put the attorney at fault. Conflicts, really easy way to put the attorney at fault, specifically when it comes to family representation. So that's why we're here talking about this today. It's really, really important as a trust and estates lawyer to take certain steps to be able to foresee certain ethical issues. And we'll, I guess, dive in from here.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more law practice and legal marketing videos. See you in our next clip.